Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to design this model in FreeCAD. So first, create new file, select part design workbench, create board, create sketch in axis plane, and here select the cycle tool and draw this cycle. And now pick this tool, click in this cycle, change the diameter to 200, close the sketch, press on, go to model and select the sketch, select pad tool, check this option, symmetric to plane, and here change to 5, click OK. Now create another sketch in axis plane, switch to section view, and here draw 2 cycles. Use this tool to constrain the diameter of these cycles. Here will be 200 and here will be 250. Close the sketch, go to pad tool, and here we set 50. Okay, click OK. And now we create another sketch in axis plane, switch to section view, and here we draw this cycle, change its diameter to 50, close the sketch, go to pad tool, and here set 50 and OK. Again select this face, create sketch, and here draw the cycle, set the diameter to 25, close, and go to pocket tool, and here change the type to radial and click OK. And now select this edge and go to chamfer tool, click in this edge button, select this face. Now first you change the type to distance, and here we increase this. Okay, sixty is okay, so click OK. And now select this face and create new sketch, and here we can choose this center the rectangle and draw this rectangle. Pick this vertical distance tool and here set 10. Okay, you can constrain vertically these 2 points. Pick this horizontal distance and here set 15. Close this sketch, go to pocket tool, change here to radial and press OK. So we have this. Now select this face, create new sketch, and here you use this arc tool to draw these 2 arcs. And now use this line command to draw these 2 lines. Go to Fillet tool and fillet this part, and this part, and this. part. Okay, so now select all fillets and make it equal. Okay, and now let's give dimensions to this sketch. So select this tool and set this point, this line, and this point symmetrical, this point and this line and this point symmetrical. Okay, so pick this tool and here change to maybe 10. Okay, and here can be 90. So okay, select this horizontal distance tool and here we put, no, change it to okay, pick this tool again and select this point and this point and say 20. So okay, close this sketch, go to pocket tool, click OK, and now select this last operation and go to polar hotel, and here we increase this value. Okay, 5 occurrence is okay, click OK. So now create new sketch, create the new sketch in YZ-Plane, switch to section view, and here use the polyline tool to draw this sketch. Or first you can select this tool and extract this edge, and then select this polyline tool and draw this sketch. So here we constrain this line and now give dimensions to this sketch. Here can be 10 and this 5, and the distance here 2.5, and here we can say 5, and the height of this sketch can be 5. Okay, so now select these 2 points and vertical constraint. Okay, so now close this sketch, go to groove tool, and here we change the axis to Y axis. Okay, click OK, and we have this pocket. So now select this groove tool, this groove operation, and go to this linear pattern tool, and here we change the axis, the direction to Y axis, and here we change to maybe 20. Okay, 30. Okay, and we set the number of occurrence to 3 and click OK. So as you can see, we have this piece. Yes, if you want to change this appearance, you can select, for example, this edge and then click on mouse and go to appearance option, and here we can change the shape color to red. Okay, decrease these numbers. Okay, we have this piece. We thank you for watching this video. Thank you.